Hadien Bakatami contractual teacher support Kshatri Jangka Mikhalaya of LP School contractual association Hadien Miklayo Banya Kynduh Chief Minister Lorman Pensko Yiki Jingdawa ka Jangki Klayo Pan Railang Borok Nonghikai Bakin Nang Beteng Biang Yaka Iakhih Hakmat Ambos Hakabau Chief Minister uklem la Ashim Pediang Yaka Jingdawa ka Jangki Labuan Singi Mentah Kilaong Balasha la Singi Kin Sapalong Yaka Iakhih ka Bajor Bandawa nak Sarkar Balada Kam Snap ne Kamla Banyarap Kilaong Bakin Sayapet ke ai Bakin Le.
So our demands are like we have already produced in the banner. You can see that we want a reinstatement of our services, and we also demand a special MTET for because most of the teachers are overage here. So we cannot compete with the new generation appearing in MTET. So we want a special MTET and get our services regularized, and by that time we want our services to be reinstated and continue as contractual till the age of 60.
From Meghalaya Government School Contractual Association, feel sad when we come out from the meeting with our Chief Minister, because we hope that we get a positive response from the government, especially from our Chief Minister, but we get the negative one. We got the negative one. He blamed the previous government. But as per my ideas, if the previous government did wrong, the present government will have to correct it. If we follow the wrong one, then all the state will die one day. So I request once again, MD government, especially our Chief Minister. 2 times as a contractual teacher, we have found you blame the others, the previous government. Please, sir, if you found the previous government doing something wrong, you have the right to correct it.